Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Rumu. Festive season has already started. Rakshabandhan is coming soon. So I have done a soft sweet makeup tutorial for you. At first I will prep my skin with Perfect Match Color Bar Primer. It immediately blurs my pores and fine lines and make a smooth canvas so that the makeup glides like a butter. Today my choice of foundation is LA Girl Pro HD in the shade Natural. Little bit of foundation I will pump on my kabuki brush and spread on my face and blend it properly with my kabuki brush. Later on I will blend it with a sponge so that no excess product left on my face. After I am satisfied with the blending part, then I will move to the concealer. Today I am using LA Girl Pro HD concealer in the shade Light Yellow. My base is almost done. Now I will show you one trick. If you do not have a cream blush, use your lipstick. Just put a little bit on your cheek and blend it with a sponge. Today I will not use any blusher. I will use a lipstick as a cream blusher because it is a home festival and using a blusher I think it will look very over. Just smile and use a little bit of lipstick on your pout area and blend it properly with your sponge. You can see how natural it looks like, just a hue coming out from my cheek from inside. Now set everything with a translucent powder. I am using Kryolan Supra TL2. Moving to my eyes, today I will create very soft and sweet eyes. Using three colors from my palette, Morphe James Charles palette, I will create today's eye makeup. First one, the transition one, and the second one is the brown color which I will put on my outer corner, and then the shimmery one, that is the peach color. I will apply my kajal from Faces Canada, which is smudge proof, waterproof, on my upper lid near my lash line. I'll draw rough lines and later on I will blend with my sponge brush. Both of my eyes are half done. Now I will clear the under eye portion with LA Girl Pro HD Compact in the shade Natural. Using the same brown eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Grooming my eyebrows with Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. Loads of mascara will help to volumize my eyelash. I'm using Volume Express mascara from Maybelline. Now my face is looking pretty flat. That's why I'm bronzing my face with Miss Claire bronzing palette. Little bit of highlighter from Makeup Revolution. Festive season had already started, but I do not know how will this festive season will go in this year, because due to this present situation all the festivals we are celebrating at our home. So please stay home and enjoy all the festivals at your home with your family. To set everything, I am using our setting spray from Makeup Revolution. It is the all control one, and set your makeup and make it long lasting. Combine the two lipstick from Matte Me Liquid Lip Color. First one I will use the pink one and fill with the nude color. So guys, this is my final look. I have put a bindi, jhumkas and also bangle. This is an ethnic look with a soft sweet makeup and very elegant one. Hope you like it. I have enjoyed so much while making this video. If you liked it, show me your love by subscribing my channel and give a thumbs up and comment down your thoughts and how you will spend your Rakshabandhan festival and how you will do your makeover. If you recreate my look, please do not forget to tag me. You can also follow me in Facebook and Instagram. My Instagram handle is Rumu Mridha. Here is my full outfit. I am in the terrace. You can see my outfit is pink short kurti with a beige color long skirt and a statement dupatta, which is one of my favorite. I'm shooting the video by myself. It's really very difficult and problematic. Happy Rakshabandhan to all of you. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. See you on the next one. Till then, love you so much. Take care. Bye.